So I'm walking on this track that comes out of the back of the motel and heads down to Kerr Bay. It's called the Black Valley Track. So you're walking along next to this river the whole way down to Kerr Bay. Yeah, it's very pleasant. Nice wee river there. So you're walking down past the side of the houses the whole way. There's a whole lot of like wee side tracks that head off to different places. That one there heads up to the general store. That big metal bands to stop possums climbing up the tree. So there must be some kind of F-like client growing up on the top of the tree that they don't want the possums eating. Walking off the end of the track out to where you can see Kerr Bay. So the track I was walking down was the Black Valley Walk. I'll have a look and see if I can find some information about it. That's the stream I was walking along. I think it's called Black Valley Stream. And it flows out to Lake Rotoiti out there. That's Lake Rotoiti, Mount Robert, and there is the Travis Valley. So I'm walking back up through the campsite at Kerr Bay. It's really busy here. Walking back up the Gibbs Walk from the campground takes you back up to the main road. It's one of those strange things you see in nature. There's a whole lot of trees growing on top of that massive big rock there, just on the layer of soil on top of the rock. Still walking up the Gibbs track. I think it comes out up on State Highway 6. So there's the road down to Kerr Bay Campsite. It's running along right next to us, and then we're coming back out onto the road just here. I think I have to go that way, not really sure. That's heading down towards the highway anyway, so I'll go that way. Going somewhere, I'm just not really sure where. So State Highway 63 is down that way. That's the road that runs through St Arnaud. So that's the Black Valley Walk there, with this bridge over the river. Then you walk down the side of the river again, back down towards the motel. That's the end of the trek. And then that's where you go back up to the motel I'm staying at. Yeah, it's quite cool. It's a cool wee walk. Takes about 25 minutes to 30 minutes to do the whole thing. It's probably about a k and a half. Yeah, give it a go.